Hello and welcome to the series where I talk all things Monterey Car Week and let you in on all of the insider information. So today I'm going to be talking about the best hotels to spot at. So the first one is the Hyatt Regency Monterey Hotel and Spa. This is a bit back from the Monterey coastline and you'll need to have a car to get there. But often an auction is held here, and often a lot of hypercars and supercars park up here, and the owners stay in the hotel because it's a really nice luxury hotel. So it's definitely a location to check out and to keep an eye on what's in the parking lot of that hotel. And then on to the next hotel is the Monterey Plaza Hotel and Spa. This is right on the seafront and near to Cannery Row. And often, again, supercar, hypercar owners stay here. I think it was the Koenigsegg kind of club and Koenigsegg brand stayed here last year. There were a lot of Koenigsegg's hanging around that hotel. So it's definitely one to check out and drive past on a regular basis. Then on to the next hotel, and this hotel I couldn't find for a while. I've seen loads of photos of it on social media, but I couldn't seem to work out which hotel it was and like where the photos were taken, but I finally found it towards the end of the week, and it's the famous photos where they're all parked around kind of this square, and it is the Inn at Spanish Bay on 17 Mile Drive. A lot of hypercars, again, supercars park here, owners stay here, very exclusive being on 17 Mile Drive and being in that kind of golf course area. And so definitely worth checking it out. Next is the Lodge at Pebble Beach. And Pebble Beach, again, super famous, world famous golf course. And so a lot of money and wealth around here, and luxury. And so the luxury draws the supercar owners to stay here because it is so famous and somewhere that everybody kind of aspires to stay. So definitely recommend checking that out. And then finally, you have the L'Auberge in Carmel. I don't know whether I pronounced that right, but it's just off Ocean Avenue in Carmel. And there was a lot of hypercars parked there last year, a row of there was a Chiron Pure Sport, F40, a Pagani, regularly changing. That's the hotel where it's kind of looks an oldie worldy hotel, and that's where you saw a lot of photos last year. Photos were taken of cars parked up in Carmel, but not on Ocean Avenue. That's where the cars were. So I definitely recommend checking that out. I'm sure there'll be some great supercars and hypercars parked outside there this year as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for plenty more Car Week videos to come.